Don't watch this if you love your old duffel bag. The Capo bag might just change your mind. This bag features 2 front zipper pockets. In one, you can securely store your wallet. In the other, there's ample space for your sunglasses case. The bag comes with a detachable shoulder strap. At the back, you'll find a convenient zipper pocket, perfect for keeping your phone within reach. It also comes with easy carry top handles. The main compartment has a heavy-duty size 8 zipper. Inside, there's a zippered slip pocket that can easily fit your earphone case. The main compartment is spacious enough to fit your clothes, a book, Bluetooth speakers, a tape dispenser, and even your MacBook. There's a separate shoe compartment on the side, and another side pocket where you can keep your bottle. On the top, there are straps with snap buckles which can be adjusted to any size to hold your yoga mat. Why settle for less? Upgrade to the Capo bag and experience superior functionality and style.